I'm in Dallas, trying to get to Denver. Got a connection here. And this is Bizarre World. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be up there and it's just closed. But like, literally, see, like there's, that's shut. And look, that Starlink says right there, Starlink that way. I don't know where I'm going. I want to go this way though. I need to get to Terminal C. That's all I know. All right, I'm seeing a light at the end of the tunnel. It says I turn left here. I'm the only guy going up. See? You ever feel like you're going the wrong way in life?
The next stop serves gates B20 and B49 and bring.
Weird how all these little terminals are like their own separate entities. That guy, he had a mask on, but it was like a chin mask, is what we call it. All right, so this is our gate, 15. So when I see everybody waiting in line for beverages, I see that and I'm like, that's free. That's not.
Thank you. Hello,
There you go.
good morning. Mr. Marlock, thank you so much. Hello, dear. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Excellent. Thanks for asking. Mr. Whirl or Whirly?
Whirly.
Whirly. You never know with that extra E. Thank you, darling.
Have a good one. All right, so what are we, 18A? I'll tell you, everybody in the South is super nice.
Thank you.
Greetings.
Good morning.
Oh boy.
Hi, how are you?
Good, you? Such a wait.
Drinking. Please keep your face mask on if you want to sleep so we do not have to wake you. In addition, to Denver, Colorado, where the current time is 9:57. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Keep the aisle clear of all personal items. Don't forget to check your seat pocket and surrounding areas to ensure you have all your belongings, like cell phones, tablets, and chargers. To help keep our cabin clean,
Where are we at?
Oh, good one. You ever see a video of me and I'm flying in or out of Denver and there's no dog? Something's wrong. This is the thing when you get on a day, it's pretty full. It's already picked up a bunch of people. See how the traffic there is here normally? I'm just gonna go through this. See, this is why people go up to the top. It's currently like, I think 45 degrees out. That's Colorado native right there. Wear shorts, even if it's snowing out. By the way, hi Camden, hi Mason. Why am I wearing the stupid mask? You know, this is, you get used to wearing these stupid things and you just do it. Hate that. No need to wear a mask outside. Appreciate all you watching this. If you liked the video, be sure to hit like on it, because that's what you should do when you like something, right? And hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments below. You know, that's something I wanted to talk about. So some of these videos, they have no comments because I mark them that they're made for kids, because they are. But then you can't turn, there's no comments if you leave that on. So it's kind of weird. So I'm kind of always asking, leave a comment. But if I mark it as a kid's video, then you can't leave a comment. So some of the videos I will mark not for kids, so you can leave comments. But until then, take flight. Honestly, that was here the other day when I parked here. Surprised nobody's taken it.